Hi kids, today we're gonna learn how to do this. This is different. That is normal. You see there's car, boat, bicycle. Messed up on that one. And this is a different one. I won't mess up this time. Ready kids to learn? This is airplane. Airplane. What airplane starts with air? A.
Or it could also be plane.
Plane. I think it's this one the most.
Why is it that one?
Oh, because it starts with a P and ending with a E.
Okay, great. Let's write plane. Let's do it. Beautiful.
I did.
You did, yeah. Let's get it right in between those lines.
A. So it starts with a P. I. A. Here. After me, when I write these whole words, you are gonna say all of these letters that I write. Try. Don't mess up.
Very good. And what does that spell?
It spells airplane.
Or plane, right? Plane.
Yeah.
Because it starts with a P. All right, let's move on to the next one. What's the next one?
This is is it a tractor, guys?
It's a truck.
Oh, it's a truck. I forgot.
Okay, now which one of those words spells truck?
Uh-oh. That
Why is it?
or
Uh-huh.
that.
Okay, so right now you're listening to the first sound of the word truck, and the first sound is what letter? T. Ruck. Tr, t, t, t.
I think this one
Why is that?
because it has an R.
Okay, but the other one has an R too.
Oh.
So what's the last sound of the word truck? Truck.
I think it's this one
Why is that?
because it has a K.
Very good.
Wait, let me hear your letters. How you can write these. Right. Good. Here it is. T. And then it's R. U. C. K. If you're sick like me, you get to go not to school. No. You get to stay home, relax. You get to do homework at home.
For today only, right?
Yes.
Okay, because you're a little sick. Okay. And what does that word spell?
It spells k.
Very good. All right, let's move on to the next one.
This is a train, guys. Train. See? Flashing. It's flashing the light because it's dark. I'm gonna draw a moon. The moon. Can't draw moons that good. Let's spell. Now it's gonna be this one. Wait. Guys, you can close your eyes. Don't look because I'm gonna write it. You can't look. Don't look. Sorry, I didn't say that to you. I said it to my dad. Look now.
Very good. And what are the letters in the word train?
It has T-R-A-I-H.
Is that an H?
Oh.
What letter is that?
Okay, it's N.
Very good. Great job, Abby. What's the next picture of?
I don't know this.
Well, does it look like a van?
Yeah.
Okay, and what are the letters in the word van?
I don't know.
Well, read it.
I just write it.
Because that's the last word left, right? Well, let's read it. You know those letters.
Fine. I don't know it. V. A. Van!
Okay, and what are the letters?
V-A-N.
Very good. You did it.
Bye guys, this is the end of the video. End of the video. Bye.